Hey, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I just want to thank you so much for coming and checking out my channel. I hope that you have a blast and that you subscribe and hit the like button and stick around and become part of our family. Today, I'm super excited because I received my mystery painting. Finally, after months and months and months of waiting, bless my partner, Charlene. She just persevered through it. So diamond painting mystery fun, I believe that's what it is. That's on a Facebook group. They, about every 8 to 12 weeks, put together a group of people, and you are able to meet that person through Facebook or Instagram or email, however you decide, and talk about what your likes, your dislikes are. And then that person, your partner, picks out a diamond painting for you and sends it to you. It should be an opaque cover. They will work with the diamond painting company on removing the thumbnail and the inventory sheet thumbnail. However, there are many diamond painting companies, because of the language barrier, who do not understand, and it's crazy. It's crazy. So Charlene and I got together and we went back and forth, and we ordered each other diamond paintings. Mine took forever to get to her, and her, bless her heart, got returned back, and she had to repurchase it, and then it came, and then you will see when I open it that there is a language barrier, and so no matter how much they say yes, 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 they do what you ask. Sometimes it doesn't always happen. Now, many of you will wonder, what is a mystery painting? A mystery painting is a painting where you do not know what you are putting together. Your partner or a friend or anybody, you don't have to be in a group. You can have somebody order something for you, and then you watch it explode into something amazing and beautiful as you put it together. So I'm going to open it up in this video, and also I will have a live later on that will be also explaining about mystery paintings and how to do it. So check out that live as well. If you are watching this in the future, it will go through all the tips, tricks, and details. So yes, please watch this unboxing and let me know what you think. I can't wait, Charlene, to see what you came up with for me. Thank you so much for being my partner, and thank you for persevering. So I hope you enjoy this video. So I think this is my second mystery painting. The first one I got from my collab partner, Brian. This one I got from the Facebook partner, and I can't wait to open it and at least see what colors there are. Now, last time I did a mystery painting, no matter how much we told the store, because we didn't use Evermoment, to take the thumbnail off, it did not. So if I see a thumbnail, you might accidentally get hit, earthquake. So Yvonne, make sure you hang on. Because I'm going to cover it up like I did last time with the psychedelic tree. And because I want to be surprised. Yes, this is from Home Fun. That is the company that my partner, that I was partnered with, ordered from. And they tell us, yes, we understand, we're not going to put this on, and then they do it. So, oh, yep, the thumbnail is on here. So I am going to cover my hand over it. You can see I'm not cheating, I'm not looking. And I am going to find some tape until my husband gets home. He's going to help me cover this. All right, so we are just going to cover this up so I don't accidentally see it, and then when he gets home, he's going to help me do that. It is a 40 by 50. That's the size we decided on. Oh, there's an inventory sheet. I'll try not to look. Not to look. Not looking. Not looking. We're going to stuff this in here because I don't want to see it. Okay, so my husband will, when he gets home, but I wanted to see the colors. Oh my goodness. Rebecca, there's pink. Oh my goodness. Look at all this pink. Okay. So we've got beautiful pinks and purples. I gave her an idea. I told her to go check out my post reviews, see the kind of things I liked. I also told her I like lots of colors. This is square. Got some beautiful purples. Make sure I'm on camera here. Some beautiful purples. And some blues. Some more pink. There's lots of pink. Let's see how many pinks there are. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. That's kind of like a salmon color. 5, 6, 7. All right, so we got 7 pinks. And then, oh, I feel like there's something biting me. Oh, okay, we got 1 purple, 2 purple, 3 purple, 4 purple. Yep, so 5 purple, so 7 pinks and 5 purples. Got a couple yellows and creams. Got some oranges here. Got some reds. I love this 814 color. It's like a cranberry or a mulberry. All right, we got some blues here. It's like every color of the rainbow. Great job, partner. Okay, then we got some darker blues, some greens. And then these are all the 310s there are. And this is all the white. So it's got a decent amount of white. These are the bigger packages. These smaller packages hold anywhere between 180 to 200, and the bigger packages between 700 and 1,000, depending on the company. And then this green, I'm hoping is just not from opening. So yes, I know there's not much to show because it's a mystery collab, but I'm very excited. I'm gonna have my husband help me take care of this, make sure there's some duct tape on top in case I wanna use my light pad. And I can't wait to get this started. So thank you so much for hanging in there with me. And as I do this, I would love to see what you guys think this is. Last time we had a lot of fun with the psychedelic tree. I'm gonna put the first video up there on that. See, if you want, you can watch that progress. Also, I love you all. Thank you so much for all that you do. Thank you for your support, and please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more and be part of our family. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.